not going to make my own curry chicken.
Let me see what that is so I can show everyone. We like to use oxtail seasoning. Ooh, this one looks so good. Are you going to go back to that one later? Okay. Because it's coming out a lot, huh? Go ahead. Oregano. So do you put it all over the whole thing? Why don't you sit up more on your knees so you can do it better, okay? Go ahead. Get up on your knees. Ooh. I like it because you put a lot of that stuff on there, huh? Do you get every piece? Mm-hmm. Good job. What are you using next? Right here? Are you doing your onions? Ooh, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Can I see it? What did I say? Minced onions. That's a good technique. Now, what happens if you make a mistake and touch the top of that to the chicken? What happens?
I throw the whole thing away.
Why is that? Bless you. Thank you for turning your head. Is that because of the cross-contamination? That means it's no good, right? Oh, that's how you get it.
Yes.
You got it? Okay, let me see what that is. Italian seasoning. Good job, baby. What is that? Let me see. Gotta show everyone. This is mild curry. You got it? Look at you.
Mimi.
You doing it? Got it? All right. Good job. Because she then takes a spoon and she'll mix it all over the whole thing. Can you hold it? Okay, so now she's going back to her oxtail seasoning. And the reason why she uses oxtail seasoning, oh, good job. Good job. See, the last time she put a whole bunch over there. Look at you, girl. She put a whole lot of it over there in one spot. And yeah, that's how you do it. All right, thank you. Wait a minute. Okay, so you're going to she has Mambo sauce, Capital City Mambo sauce. It's so good. So she sweet a little bit, and she makes it all over the chicken. Let me see how you do it. Ooh, see, she don't really have to squeeze it, do you? It's just coming out. So she makes sure that she gets every piece of chicken. You're doing it easy. Yeah. And you might think, wait a minute, that's a lot of stuff. But actually, it's really, really tasty. It's really, really tasty. What is that? Let me see. This is parsley. And she puts a lot of parsley. We put parsley in everything, don't we? Oh, hey, girl, load it up. You get the middle. Going to the middle, the sides, everywhere. Okay. Are you getting your Montreal? You looking for this one? So this is Montreal steak seasoning by Grill Mates. This is the best part of it. Hold it up a little higher so it don't hit it. There you go. And she gets it all over now. It looks like it's a whole lot, but it's actually not. She actually goes over it like 3 different times because once the water boils down, we actually should go in there and put more water in it just to make sure that it covers it. Good job. Thank you. What you got now? So what's okay? Lowry seasoned salt. Now she does this. Can you get it? Here, let me turn it around for you, baby. I'm gonna turn it for you. Here you go. You got it. Now she goes lightly over the whole thing. Like, there you go. You got it. Just like you did the last one, huh? Ooh. Okay. You want your Italian? Then she uses zesty Italian dressing. She goes real easy, a little bit at a time. You got it. Yeah. Good job. Oh, yes. Good job. Here. Oh, you wanted it for this side. Got it? Good job. Use all of it. Yay! That's what we want. There's just a few dots. Okay. What else are we doing? Okay. So, she's going to next use celery salt. Go ahead. You got it. Good job. Now, I know it's a whole lot of different stuff to take in, but it's so good. So now she's going back to the granulated onions. Put a little bit more on the side so you get the middle. Good job. What is that? A little bit. Using a little bit. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Then she goes over like towards the end. Can you grab a spoon for her, please? Go ahead. She's doing all over all of the chicken. And then once she gets done, then she's going to put it in the oven. I'm going to have her carry it to the oven. And she leaves it in there for about 3 hours. And flip it over and let it get sticky. Is it not coming out? Oh, I see. I see what it is. Okay, hold on. I'm going to pause it for a second. Thank you. See, she gets all of the chicken. Now this is the favorite part of everyone's in our house because it makes it a little sweet and tangy. With the Italian, it makes it a little more tangy too. But the mambo sauce is really good. You can finish it off. Go ahead. You can use the rest of it. Oh, you don't want to? Okay. So, are you done? Oh, okay. Excuse me. So now she's going to use what? Some more curry. And she's going to put curry on all of the ones that she didn't use it on before. See, do you see how good this looks? And mind you, she is only 4, okay? And she done all of this by herself. Make sure you get the whole thing, baby. Come on this side. You're almost out of it. What's okay? We have spicy too. Okay. So being that... Oh, wait a minute. You have more. You have more. There you go. Just a little bit. But, oh, there you go. Okay. We made it work. Through the middle. Right here. Good job, princess. Here, you got... There you go. You can use it for that little spot right there. Yeah! Good job, baby. Good job. Alright, that's it. There's no more. You can put it down. Okay, so let's get a close up one last time. It's okay, baby. I'll get it. I'll pick it up. Okay. And so, you want more onion? You sure? Okay. Whatever you say, Mrs. Lady. And she makes sure she gets every piece of chicken. Do you? So when did mommy teach you how to cook? I thought you had a season. You've been cooking for a while, huh? When she was 2 years old, I started taking her in the kitchen with me and letting her watch. And she started to cry about, Mom, I want to help. I want to help, Mommy. So I let her help. And it got to the point to where she was crying about, let me throw this away. She was crying about me not letting her do it by herself. So one day I turned my head and she dumped. I only was doing curry chicken. I didn't have any oxtail seasoning. I took it out by mistake. But she put in the mambo sauce that she has right now. She took that out. She took out the oxtail seasoning that was on the counter. And then she put a whole lot of oregano. And mind you now, I turned my back. So my husband was on the couch asleep. And so I ended up coming down. And at that time, she had the Italian dressing in her hand. And I was like, oh my God, I don't have no more curry. I don't have anything else. And so what am I going to do? And so I ended up feeling like I wanted to throw the whole thing in the trash. But I didn't do it. He said, go ahead and cook it. You never know how it'll turn out. And when I took it out, it was the best chicken I had ever had. It was so good. And she uses, you see what she's doing by herself. Go ahead and use the rest of it, baby. You don't want to? But she ended up doing it by herself. And it turned out to be really, really good. So I went on ahead and let her do it from here on out. Because I'm like, if you can make it good like that the first time, you know what you've done. You can redo it again. What'd you say, baby?
For my dad and you.
You making it for who?
For my dad and my brother and you.
Oh,
and me.
Thank you. And this is exactly what it was looking like. And I was so mad. I'm like, you messed my chicken up. Everybody loves my chicken.
No, mine.
No, everybody loves my curry chicken. But everybody loves her special curry chicken. It's like Italian curry. So what she's going to do right now is I'm going to pause this video. And I'm going to let her cut this onion. Okay. And I'm going to help her. So she's going to cut up both onions. And all I'm going to do... wait a minute. All I'm going to do is guide her with it. And I'm not going to let her get hurt. So say, we'll be back.
We'll be back.